Ever wondered how to turn your spare time into cash right from the comfort of your home? The digital age brings us endless opportunities, and one such is earning money online. Imagine a platform that pays you for having fun. Meet ClipClaps, an app that's as easy to use as a social media site, but with a twist, it puts money in your pocket. With just a few taps, you can transform idle hours into earnings. Stick around if you want to know how to start earning money on ClipClaps. First off, what exactly is ClipClaps? Well, let's delve into the details. ClipClaps is a unique platform, a place where entertainment and earning go hand in hand. It's an application designed to brighten up your day with funny videos and fascinating games. But the cherry on top? You can earn money while having fun. ClipClaps is a mobile application that rewards users with clap coins. Now you might be wondering, how do I earn these clap coins? It's simple. By watching videos, playing games, and even participating in challenges. Yes, you heard it right. Earning couldn't be more fun. The purpose of ClipClaps is to provide an entertaining and rewarding experience to users. It's not just about mindless scrolling, it's about engaging with content, enjoying games, and in the process, filling up your digital wallet. So, put simply, ClipClaps is the epitome of earning while having fun. Now that we know what ClipClaps is, let's dive into how you can start earning. Getting started on ClipClaps is pretty straightforward. The first step, of course, is to download the app. Whether you're an Android aficionado or an Apple devotee, you can find ClipClaps in your respective app store. Just type ClipClaps into the search bar, tap on the app, and hit download. It won't take much of your time or storage space, so don't worry about that. Once you've got the app on your device, it's time to sign up for an account. You'll see the sign up button on the welcome screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your information. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose the one you're most comfortable with, but remember to use a valid and active account to ensure smooth transactions later on. Now you're in, but we're not quite done yet. It's time to set up your profile. In the top left corner, you'll see a small icon. That's your profile. Tap on it, and you'll be able to edit your profile information. You can add a profile picture, a brief bio, and your location if you like. This isn't just for aesthetics. A complete profile can lead to more opportunities on the platform. Next, let's talk about payment. To receive your earnings, you need to set up your payment method. Go to the wallet section in your profile, and there, you'll find options to link your PayPal or bank account. Remember, the name on your ClipClaps account should match the name on your bank account or PayPal to avoid any issues. Last but not least, don't forget to set up your security settings. Choose a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and make sure to keep your account secure. ClipClaps takes your privacy and security seriously, and so should you. With your account now set up, you're ready to start earning. Remember, the right setup is the first step toward success on ClipClaps. So how do you start filling your pockets on ClipClaps? Well, there's more than one way to earn on this exciting platform. The first and most straightforward way is by watching videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn simply by consuming content that you enjoy. Whether it's comedy, cooking, or cute animals, there's something for everyone on ClipClaps. Every time you watch a video, you're rewarded with clap coins. And the best part? There's no limit to how many videos you can watch. The more you watch, the more you earn. Now, if you're a fan of gaming, ClipClaps has got you covered. The platform offers a variety of fun and engaging games that not only entertain, but can also fill your virtual wallet. Winning games earns you clap coins, and there's a game for every preference. Whether you like strategy games, puzzles, or action-packed adventures, there's a chance for you to win, and consequently, earn. But that's not all. ClipClaps also hosts challenges that you can participate in to earn extra clap coins. These challenges range from daily tasks to special events, offering you numerous opportunities to increase your earnings. You can find these challenges on your ClipClaps dashboard and participate as often as you wish. Now you might be wondering, what are these clap coins and what can you do with them? Well, clap coins are the currency of ClipClaps. The more clap coins you earn, the more you can redeem for real-world money. Yes, ClipClaps converts your virtual earnings into actual cash that you can withdraw. The process is simple. Once you've earned a certain amount of clap coins, you can go to the reward section of your account. There you will find the redeem option. Simply click on it, select the amount you wish to redeem, and voila! Your clap coins are converted into cash, which you can then withdraw through various methods including PayPal or other accepted payment methods. One of the best things about earning on ClipClaps is that the platform is all about having fun. You're not required to fill out long surveys or complete tedious tasks. Instead, you're rewarded for doing things that you enjoy, watching videos, playing games, and participating in challenges. So, whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or simply enjoy engaging content and fun games, ClipClaps is the place to be. It's a platform that not only entertains but also rewards. And remember, the more you engage with the content, the more you earn. As you can see, earning on ClipClaps is as easy as having fun. So why not give it a try? Start filling your pockets and having a blast on ClipClaps today. Want to know how to maximize your earnings on ClipClaps? Well, you're in the right place. Here are some savvy strategies to boost your income on this platform. Firstly, spend more quality time on the app. ClipClaps rewards active users. The more you watch, the more you earn. So whether it's during your morning commute or while you're unwinding in the evening, make it a habit to check in and enjoy some content. Now you might be asking, what's the best content to watch? The answer is simple: whatever catches your fancy. The beauty of ClipClaps is that it caters to all tastes. Whether you're into comedy, cooking, or cats doing hilarious things, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key is engagement. Next, participate in as many challenges as possible. Challenges are an exciting way to earn extra cash. Think of them as mini-games, each with a nice little reward at the end. They range from simple tasks like sharing a video to more involved ones like creating your own content. The more challenges you take on, the more opportunities you have to earn. Another great way to maximize your earnings is through referrals. By inviting friends to join ClipClaps, you not only share the fun, but you also get a nice bonus for every successful referral. It's a win-win situation. So, don't be shy about spreading the word. Your social network could be a gold mine. Now here's a pro tip. Keep an eye on the app for special promotions and events. ClipClaps often runs contests and offers bonuses that can significantly boost your earnings. Staying updated will ensure you never miss out on these golden opportunities. Finally, patience is key. Earning through ClipClaps is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building habits and making the most of the opportunities available. So don't be disheartened if you don't see big bucks right away. Keep at it, and the rewards will come. With these tips, you're well on your way to making the most of your time on ClipClaps. So, to recap, we've explored the fascinating world of online earnings and delved into an innovative platform that has created waves in this sphere. ClipClaps. It's not just another app, it's a potent tool that can open up a new stream of income for you, right from the comfort of your couch. We've walked through the simple process of setting up a ClipClaps account. Remember, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you're in. Once you're set up, the earning potential is at your fingertips. We've also discussed how you can earn money on ClipClaps. From watching videos to playing games and participating in challenges, there are various avenues to explore. Every action you take on the app translates into rewards, which then convert into real money. Yes, you're essentially getting paid for having fun. In addition, we've shared essential tips to maximize your earnings on ClipClaps. Consistency is key, and the more active you are, the higher your earnings. Engaging with the app's content, participating actively, and taking advantage of the reward system will certainly give your earnings a boost. In summary, ClipClaps offers a unique and exciting opportunity to earn money online. It's fun, it's easy, and it's rewarding. With this guide, you're all set to start earning money on ClipClaps. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.